Good morning, children. In lesson 13, part 4, we will see second example of 13.1. The question was a monolysis of benzyl chloride and reaction of amines so formed with 2 moles of CH3Cl. So we will write, the question is very important, that's why I have written important here. फिनाइल देखो ध्यान से, ये बेंजाइल क्लोराइड कैसे लिखोगे? C6H5CH2Cl. इट इज़ नॉट क्लोरोबेंजीन, it is benzyl chloride C6H5CH2Cl. When it is treated with ammonia, it will give the primary amine, that is C6H5CH2NH2, and one H and one Cl will be removed like HCl. Then it is treated with 2 moles of CH3Cl. So now this CH3Cl this 2 CH3, what they will do? They will remove these 2 hydrogen atoms. दिख रहा है? And these 2 hydrogen atoms will be removed by 2CH3. So we will write C6H5CH2N, and both the hydrogen atom के बदले we will write CH3CH3. This compound is known as N,N-dimethyl phenyl methanamine. Third method of production of amine is reduction of nitrile. Reduction of nitrile से primary amine मिलते हैं. So strong reducing agent like LiAlH4 or nitriles when treated with LiAlH4 or by catalytic hydrogenation process. तो catalytic hydrogenation क्या हुआ कि in presence of catalyst H2 is added, that is also reduction. So here it is nitrile RCN treated with H2Ni or NaHgC2H5OH. It will give us primary amine RCH2NH2. इस तरह के जो अमाइन प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वो यूज़ होते हैं फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइंस कंटेनिंग 1 कार्बन एटम मोर देन द स्टार्टिंग अमाइन. द अमाइन प्रोड्यूस्ड will containing 1 carbon atom more than the starting amine, right? Next method of production of amine is reduction of amides. Reduction of amide. The amides on reduction with lithium aluminum, again same reducing agent LiAlH4 will be used as reducing agent. So it is RCONH2 amide हो गया, RCONH2. It will be treated with LiAlH4 and water. So it will give R, ध्यान से देखना, RCH2NH2 primary amine, RCH2NH2, which is a primary amine, 1 degree amine. And depending upon the name of the R, we will write the name of the compound. So in this way primary amine is produced. The fifth method for production of amine is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. ठीक है, Gabriel, ये important reaction है बेटा, Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. The reaction is known as Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Okay, Gabriel synthesis is used for preparation of again primary amine, for preparation of primary amine. Okay, Thalamide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis gives the primary amine. Let us understand the process and then we will write the detail. पहले reaction अगर हम समझ लेते हैं तो फिर लिखना तो अपने ही हाथ की बात है. So first we will draw the structure of thalamide. It is actually, this is 1 2 3, ठीक है. Then C double bond O, here also C double bond O and NH. This is the structure of thalamide. इट इज एक्चुअली C6H4, ध्यान से देखो तो C6H4 CO2 टाइम्स CO2 टाइम्स दिस इज C, हाँ, CO2 टाइम्स NH, दिस इज थैलीमाइड. मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ये होगा ना, C6H4 CO2 टाइम्स NH. ओके, थैलीमाइड when it is treated with KOH, कैसा KOH? इथेनॉलिक KOH, इथेनॉलिक KOH. It will give form same way, then C. Okay, and here now H will be substituted by K. So we will write here N K. K के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, N के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज. ठीक है, दिस इज what it is, potassium salt of thaliamide. पोटेशियम लगा दिया, सो पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ थैलीमाइड which now treated with RX. RX क्या होता है बेटा? alkyl halide. So now it is treated with RX. Correct. So after treating with RX, it will form फिर से सेम वर्क C. अब तुम ध्यान से देखो, RX से ट्रीट किया ना बेटा, तो दिस K विल बी रिमूव्ड, है ना, एंड R विल बी सब्सटीट्यूटिंग देयर. सो C डबल बॉन्ड O, C डबल बॉन्ड O, then N, and now we will write here R. Correct? This is known as N-alkyl thaliamide. N-alkyl thaliamide. Correct? This N-alkyl thaliamide, when it is treated with NaOH, ठीक है, कैसा NaOH? Either this alkyl thaliamide by इसको कहते हैं alkaline hydrolysis. So NaOH aqueous, इसको क्या कहते हैं बेटा? ध्यान रखना, alkaline hydrolysis. So after this alkaline hydrolysis, corresponding primary amine will be produced. See how? We will write here correct. Then C O, C double bond O. Now here it is O Na plus, and here it is कुछ थोड़ा सीधा बना दो O Na प्लस. O के ऊपर माइनस चार्ज, O के ऊपर माइनस चार्ज. ठीक. सो इन दिस वे यू सी दिस इज, एंड मेन प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा हमारा? RNH2. फ्रॉम वेयर R केम? R वॉज हियर, सो R, एंड ये N निकल जाएगा, सो RNH2. Na कहाँ से आया? NaOH से आया. ठीक है, और RNH2 विच इज द 1 डिग्री अमाइन. सो यू सी केयरफुली द होल रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट थैलीमाइड वॉज टेकन. थैलीमाइड का मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला याद रहेगा तो तुम अपने आप लिख सकते हो C6H4 CO twice NH. ठीक है, CO twice लगा दो NH. When it is treated with ethanolic KOH, potassium salt of thaliamide was produced. सिर्फ N के बाद H था, H will be removed by K. Correct? तो and you know this H and this OH will form now H2. वो हमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then again it is treated with alkyl halide, that is RX. So you know now K will be substituted with R. So this is known as N, जो भी alkyl का नाम होगा, N-alkyl thaliamide. Okay. Then it is treated with aqueous NaOH, which is also known as alkaline hydrolysis. Correct. After treating with alkaline hydrolysis, doing alkaline hydrolysis, it will give us the compound which is again O plus N minus, O minus Na plus कर दिया. ठीक है, and main product that is RNH2 will be produced. But ध्यान देने की बात यह है कि aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. ये जो प्राइमरी अमाइन मिला है ये एरोमेटिक नहीं है. ठीक है, एलिफेटिक प्राइमरी अमाइन है. क्यों? बिकॉज एराइल हैलाइड्स डू नॉट गो अंडर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्सटीट्यूशन विद द एनायन फॉर्म्ड बाय थैलिमाइड. इतना ध्यान रखना है आपको. ठीक है.